The C1 Upright Lifecycle harnesses the research and innovation that have made Lifecycle bikes #1 in health clubs worldwide. Its incredibly convenient, quiet, and smooth ride makes the C1 the perfect choice for the traditional user. It features a contact heart rate monitor and a wireless chest strap, providing you with real-time feedback to ensure you are getting the maximum cardio workout for your body. It has convenient front-mounted water bottle holders and a built-in reading rack. And the adjustable seat and ergonomically designed handlebars feature a sleek racing-style design that simulates an outdoors workout experience. All Life Fitness bikes are engineered in their biomechanical labs in Chicago to ensure the optimum workout in the safest manner. The best evidence of this is the knee over pedal spindle design that ensures your legs, knees, and feet are in perfect alignment, reducing injury and increasing workout effectiveness. One of the biggest challenges in working out indoors is keeping it fresh. With the C1, you can customize your bike with your choice of award-winning Go or Track consoles. Plus, use the Life Fitness LF Connect online tool to create an unlimited amount of workouts to keep you motivated. Simply log onto the website and create a custom workout, then load it into the C1 track bike. A custom workout designed by you. Life Fitness, it's what we live for.